Imagine making an extra $1,000 every month from your laptop, without quitting your job. In this video, I'll show you 7 online side hustles that are actually working in 2026. And the best part? Most of them require little to no investment to start. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we talk about online business ideas, side hustles, and ways to make money online. So if you're interested in building income online, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. One of the fastest growing side hustles right now is TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product. You simply promote products from TikTok Shop, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Some creators are making $1,000 to $10,000 per month just by posting short videos reviewing products. All you need is a TikTok account, a trending product, simple content showing the product. Freelancing is still one of the easiest ways to start making money online. You can offer services like graphic design, video editing, Amazon listing optimization, social media management, copywriting. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow beginners to find clients worldwide. Even beginners can start making $500 to $1,000 per month once they get a few clients. Print on demand is another great online business. You create designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. When someone buys the product, the supplier prints and ships it for you. This means no inventory and no shipping headaches. Selling digital products is one of the most profitable online businesses. Examples include ebooks, Notion, templates, Canva, templates, online courses, and comment below, which side hustle are you planning to start in 2026?